Now, you have a few models with us here today, right? So let us see what your products can do.
Wonderful. So I have Stefan here. She has curly hair. Stefan used the leave-in detangler and the curl pop, and as you can see, she has popping curls.
Wow.
So she has curl definition. Exactly.
Yes. I love it. And when do you just feel fabulous when you put these products in? That's awesome. And you have somebody who has straightened their hair as well.
That's right. So I have gorgeous Loretta over here.
Good morning,
She has
Loretta.
straight hair. And Loretta used the shampoos and conditioners, and when she was done, blow dried with the leave-in, which is heat protectant, and then just took a little bit of the Super Grow hair dress and massaged it in. I want you to smell this one too, because there's another one here.
Oh my
Then I open your sinuses.
That's something that you want, when you move your head around, that's something you want to smell. That's amazing.
Yes.
Oh, I'm so excited.
Yes.
I am on the search for a new product. I think you have me hooked. Tell our viewers again, where can we find this? Are you online as well?
We're on divabycindy.com, but guess where we are? We are in Sally Beauty Supply Store as well.
Congratulations.
Yes. So women can go and purchase their product from Sally Beauty Supply Store.
Oh my gosh, so excited to have you guys here. So excited to have you.
Thank you.
I'm excited to get started with this because this is what I need.
Yes. It's time to pop, pop, pop.
Pop, pop, pop. Here we go. Thank you so much for being with us, Cindy. Oh my gosh. And stay with us, guys. We have all of Cindy's information at the bottom of the screen.